Hey guys, so I am so excited to be showing you guys a haul from Cloth and Paper. I did order this a while ago, and because the post office was so slow, it took a while to get here, but I'm so happy that it's finally here, and I can't wait to show you guys the things that I got. And the funny thing is I don't actually remember everything that I ordered. So it's kind of like a surprise for both of us. I mean, obviously, like I have an idea, but like I don't exactly remember. But yeah. So when you first open it up, you got this tissue paper. So I just obviously open the tissue paper because at first I thought that it was actually the subscription box, but I was like, wait, it's too early for that. So I opened it up just to be like, oh, okay, no, this is my order and not the subscription box. So you get this really nice tissue paper, and this is also another tissue paper that's so cute as well. So I guess let's go through the things that I picked up. So the first thing that I got were these cotton square flags. Very cute. I don't actually own anything that is the cotton color, so I thought this would be really cute. And I also picked up the transparent cotton sticky notes that are the bigger size. So I thought these two would be really cute in terms of matching. And then I picked up the color in sorbet. And then also the smaller version of the sorbet. So again, these kind of match, and then I thought these would be really cute to match too. And then I also picked up a set of the dividers, and I got this in the mini Happy Planner size, and it says schedule, lists, projects, finances, goals / ideas, miscellaneous. So yeah, these are really cute. I actually own these in personal size, and as a comparison, the personal size tabs are a bit bigger than these, but I think they're still fine. I think they're still really cute. And then I did pick up a 2021 dashboard as well. So I thought this would be like really cute as like the front dashboard. I also did pick up the ruler. It's kind of like a page, is it called a page flag? And a ruler as well. So I thought that was super cute. And I was waiting forever for this to be back in stock, and I was so excited when it finally got back in stock. These are the clear glass covers. I think that's, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. So they just like go in front and the back of your planner. So very cute. This is just my receipt, I think. I also picked up one of the pens that you can use to write on the page flags. So this one is, what pen is this? Focus. Okay, so it's the Unipin, there you go, Unipin 03 oil-based ink. So I think I read online that you don't have to wait for the ink to actually dry to be able to use it on these flags. So that's the reason why I picked this up. I think it, like they have 3 different sizes, and I think I wanted like the thinnest one, and that was out of stock. So I just resorted to getting this one. This is just the, what is this called? The little thingy that this comes with. Oh my god, what am I saying? It's just the little thank you note. Very cute. And okay, next thing. I got the cotton dots, and these are transparent. So I'm really excited about using this, and I believe there's 2 sheets in here. And then these 2 were freebies. So this was part of the like the Black Friday weekend sale that they had, and I think, yeah, I picked it up on the day that they had like the free dots. So I'll just show you guys the stickers that it comes with in case you're interested in picking it up. So okay. Oops. So it comes with this really cute sticker pouch, and it fits perfectly with these stickers. And we got the ash dots and the mauve dots. So these, if I'm not mistaken, I believe they have like 5 or so different shapes in them. And they're pretty, I mean, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say they are like about $8 for each set. So yeah, this is so pretty. This is so beautiful. So this honestly looks like a light blue to me, and I think on the website it's described as like a gray color. I'm sorry if you hear like my dog squeaking in the background. But yeah, so this is the hexagon, the square, the tape, and the corner. So yeah, the quality of these are like so nice. So really pretty. And then this is, I don't even, should I open it up? I guess I'll just open it up just to show you guys. In case you want to pick up this color. Again, I'm really sorry for like the squeaking in the background, but my dog decided to run into the room and take her toy. And squeak the toy. Oh, this one's a little messed up. That's okay. So you got the dots. This is a little messed up. I'm sad. I mean, I think I could still use this. Yeah, I think it's fine. And these are the squares, the tapes, and the corners. So yeah, so all of this, so the mauve and the ash and the sticker pouch were free, and then this was also free, which was super nice. Like I honestly think they should just sell these by itself, because I think that like for an introductory pack, like it's kind of perfect. Like you can get an idea of like if you want to invest in like the bigger sizes. And I think too, well, this would obviously be cheaper than that. So if, you know, you could test it out and see if it's something you're interested in. But I think this is so cute. So I'm not exactly sure what color this is. But yeah, it's a very pretty nude. So you got the dot stickers, the hexagons, the squares, the tape, the corners, and the drops. So yeah, so honestly, like, I feel like I'm so good with like stickers and dots and stuff for now. So anyways, I guess as a recap, I'll just show you guys again kind of like what I picked up. So this was a freebie. These mauve and ash and sticker pouch was also a freebie. This was not a freebie. I purchased this, but these are just basically 2 sheets of the cotton dots. It's just thank you note. I think that's just the sticker pouch. The Uni Pin pen, the sorbet square flags, the clear glass covers, the front and back, the mini happy planner, just my receipt. I was about to call these page flags, they're not page flags, these are the dividers. And I want to say, like, they actually have like a really nice weight to them as well. So I'm excited about using this. The roller, the 2021 dashboard, the cotton sticky notes that are transparent, the sorbet sticky notes that are transparent, and then also the small cotton square flags. Okay. No. I was like, where are the other square flags? Yeah, so, and the sorbet square flags as well. And this is just the pretty, pretty, I was about to call it vellum paper. Pretty tissue paper. And you can actually, I think I've seen some people like actually laminate this and make it like a really pretty dashboard as well. So yeah, so anyways, these are a couple of the goodies that I picked up from Cloth and Paper. I think my subscription box is coming in tomorrow. I want to say tomorrow. I think the status says that I should be getting it tomorrow. So definitely I will be filming that first thing as soon as it gets through the door, just because I know like some people want to see like ahead of time what's in the box as well. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and let me know if you recently placed an order with Cloth and Paper, and if you did, what did you end up ordering? Okay, I'm gonna go to attend to my dog now. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!